Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the new Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, Google's latest and most advanced foldable phone. Let's break down what makes this device stand out. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold features a stunning 7.8-inch main display that unfolds to give you a tablet-like experience. When folded, you get a sleek 6.2-inch cover screen that's perfect for quick tasks. The hinge is engineered for durability and smooth transitions, making sure it stands up to everyday use without any hassle. One of the highlights is its impressive camera system. It boasts a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. Whether you're capturing landscapes or close-ups, you're getting sharp and vibrant photos. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold runs on the latest Android version, optimized for its foldable design. It offers improved multitasking with features like split screen and floating windows, making productivity a breeze. And don't worry about battery life. It's equipped with a robust battery that can easily handle a full day of heavy use. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold comes with 3 storage variants: 256 GB, 512 GB, and a whopping 1 TB. Okay guys, so the launch date is very close. It will be on the 13th of August, so don't forget to subscribe because I will release a new video about the event and reacting to the new upcoming Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next one.